G'day, we're at Ultra at Farm Fantastic and we're showing off some of our JBA electric fence energisers and various products for electric fencing. This is probably one of the smallest electric fences in the world, and in a market where most of our competitors are trying to make larger and larger electric fence energisers, it would seem a bit strange that we're making a very small one. But it's called the PET100 for a reason. This product is specifically made for fencing Fido out of the garden. So if you've got a troublesome Rottweiler or a German Shepherd that's digging through your flower bed, you could use a PET100 to basically create a little fence to keep him out of the flower bed. We also make it available with a solar kit. So the energiser plugs into here, sits on there, and we've got connections to take down to a 12-volt battery, and that's a standalone little electric fence kit for a garden. We've also got the mechanical parts that you need, so we've got a full kit including the cord, poles, earth stake and a warning sign. Everything you need to put a fence around your garden.